Anyway, so
Hi guys, so day 18, I came back really late yesterday and I was so tired. I didn't sleep for 2 days and I just got beaten. But in the same time, I was so happy and so yesterday was so amazing. I loved it. Just like I had a blast with friends, new friends. They are so cute and they are so funny. I really like them all. And yesterday was an amazing day in every way, but I came late and I was so tired, so I missed my meditation, the evening meditation, because I couldn't concentrate anything. I just, please, I want to sleep. It's just like on the bed and gone, completely gone. So I wake up this morning and I did the chakra meditation because it's a short one. In the same time, I don't need a lot of concentration because I really want to sleep. I really want to sleep. I feel like I'm really beaten and uh there's no energy. So I'm trying to wake up a little bit, but I guess I'm gonna sleep again because I really wanna sleep. But yeah, so far it's amazing. I'm so happy, feeling so excited, and still feel I am in the moment from yesterday. So yeah, it's an amazing day. So day 18 is a success.